how to add stops in Waze. So if you want to add multiple stops in Waze while navigating, like whether you're picking up a friend, making a quick errand, or grabbing something on the way, adding a stop makes your trip more convenient. First, you need to open the Waze app. After that, set your destination. After setting your destination, start your drive. Now, let's say you realize you need to make a stop, but how do you add it without canceling your current route? So let's go. Here's what you can do. Tap on where to go again, and you will see the add stop option. You can just simply go with the time or the bottom option right here. Just simply tap anywhere on the bottom, and then you'll find an option of add a stop. So you just need simply go and select add a stop, and then enter your stop and confirm. Waze will now take you there first before continuing to your final destination. Keep in mind, Waze only allows one stop per trip. If you need multiple stops, you'll have to create a new drive. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.